In the heart of a bustling city lies an apartment that captivates with its serene simplicity. From its unassuming exterior to its carefully curated interior, every aspect of this abode exudes calm and composure. The design philosophy revolves around achieving a harmonious balance between openness and functionality, creating a space that invites both relaxation and productivity. Stepping inside, one is immediately greeted by a sense of warmth and tranquility. The color palette, inspired by nature's beauty, blends soothing neutrals with pops of vibrant hues. Turquoise and blues dance gracefully against a backdrop of soft neutrals, creating an atmosphere of serene elegance. Patterns borrowed from the natural world add depth and character to the space, evoking a feeling of harmony and balance. The seamless transition between living and dining areas sets the tone for the apartment's design language. Low-height seating reminiscent of traditional Indian Bathak style, coupled with a carefully curated bookshelf, creates a cozy yet functional space for relaxation and entertainment. A sober highlight trim wall behind the sofa adds a touch of European elegance, while subtly delineating the living area from the dining space. Visual drama unfolds as one explores further into the apartment. A fluted panel for the TV unit contrasts beautifully with the neutral tone partition, adding depth and visual interest to the space. A grey-tinted mirror wall amplifies the sense of space, reflecting the all-white kitchen and creating an illusion of expansiveness. These elements not only enhance the aesthetics but also contribute to a sense of openness and airiness. The apartment is designed to cater to the needs of modern-day living, with thoughtful touches that encourage interaction and engagement. A two-step service platform serves as both a functional divider and a social hub, connecting the kitchen with the rest of the living space. Bedrooms are havens of comfort and relaxation, featuring a blend of soothing blues, warm woods, and elegant accents. Each room tells a story, offering a unique experience tailored to the preferences of its occupants.